Work access mode allows super admins to access and adjust any task, project, or portfolio across the organization, regardless of privacy settings. It's especially useful in situations where access to current or past work is critical for maintaining business continuity and organizational security, like employee onboarding or role transitions. From the admin console, select Launch Asana in the left pane, then Work Access Mode. While in Work Access Mode, you can visit and search for private objects in Asana. But to change privacy settings, you must join the object first. For example, Alan is not currently a member of the sales team. After joining the team, he is able to edit privacy settings and add additional members to the team. The same is true for tasks, projects, and portfolios. Join first, then adjust object settings and membership. By default, Work Access Mode sessions last up to 30 minutes. 5 minutes before expiration, you'll receive a notification to extend for another 30 minutes or end the session. Exit by clicking Turn Off in the top bar to return to normal viewing permissions. Work Access Mode ensures you can fulfill your administrative responsibilities while maintaining the security and privacy controls that protect your organization's work.